There may be times in which it's great to know what equipment is available to you when outside the meeting room. The Liso can display the attributes for a room and equipment that's available for use inside using the information button in the top right hand corner. When we tap this, we get a summary of the room capacity, and we also get an indication of what equipment is available to us based on what we've configured. For the room Willow, we have video conferencing, lighting, phone, air conditioning, Wi-Fi, a PC and a webcam inside. What's also really nice about this feature is we can tie this into room reporting. Let's say any of this equipment's broken, for example. What's the quickest way in which we can report this back to members of staff? So if we have this feature turned on, what it also allows us to do is to be able to report any of these icons as faulty. If it's video conference, for example, you want to give this visibility to someone before they enter room next so they don't get caught out the hard way. But it's also great for being able to report this to a service desk also. So if I tap the video conference icon here and hit the report button and pop in my PIN code, which authenticates and tells the support desk that it was me that reported it, we've now got a very clear indication that video conferencing is unavailable. If we navigate back to the main screen, you can see the icons represented here, and it also ties into the room search feature as well. So if you do a search for video conferencing, you'll no longer see the room in question. Once the equipment's repaired, the engineer can either click on the icon here and pop in his own PIN code to confirm that the fault's changed, or he can do it centrally from the Evoko Home Server software.